Hello from sunny side of the world, Northern Cyprus. I'm Advocate Eylem Shakir, the chairperson of Mediterra Project Management. Today I'm going to give you brief information about how to set up company in Northern Cyprus and what is the ideal corporate form for you. If you generate income outside of Northern Cyprus and you are looking for a tax saving option outside of the EU, and you want to be flexible about your time, in which country you want to stay for how long, no minimum or maximum length of stay in Northern Cyprus. You have several shareholders and distribution of shares are freely selectable. How to incorporate company in Northern Cyprus? Condition and document required from a foreign shareholder to establish a company is minimum number of shareholders of 2, minimum share capital of a limited company is 25,000 euro. Foreign shareholders' share participation must be lodged with a Northern Cyprus bank during the incorporation process, which is estimated a week to 10 days, and verified to the authorities with a letter from a bank confirming such. After completion of incorporation process, the funds can be used at the shareholder's discretion. Shareholders must be foreign origin and must not ordinarily reside in Northern Cyprus, which means you shouldn't stay here more than 183 days. Northern Cyprus citizens whose permanent place of residence is outside Northern Cyprus are also eligible to be shareholders. Minimum share capital is 20,000 euro, which has to be deposited at one of the local Northern Cyprus banks prior to application. This money will be at your disposal once the company is incorporated. Application will be made by us on your behalf to Northern Cyprus Ministry of Economy together with the memorandum and articles of association of the prospective international business company and the receipt verifying that the minimum share capital of 20,000 euro has been deposited. The international business company is liable to corporation tax only at the rate of 1% of taxable profit, payable after the 5th month of the end of fiscal year. The annual license fee of international business company is 2,500 euro per annum. Annual license fee is payable on the following month of incorporation, thereafter at the end of each January. In the event of setting up an office, at least one of the employees must be a Northern Cyprus citizen. There is no tax on distribution of dividends. Furthermore, there are no exchange control restrictions on such distributions subject. What you should know about Famagusta Free Zone. All income from activities, services and products of manufacturers in the free port and in the free trade area are exempt from corporate and income taxes, including all forms of trade, production and services. All income and the capital originating from the operative business are subject to the free transfer of profits without limitation of the transfer size. All income from activities and services from investors other than the manufacturers are exempt from corporate tax and income tax if the goods and services are not supplied for the Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus. Profit shares. Tax regulation in connection with residence permit is a short-term residence permit of 1 year can be applied for and then extended. This allows you to stay in Northern Cyprus all year round. Thank you for listening.